Welcome to our first video on analytics model. So we take it further, we discuss ways to implement some of the major techniques that we have mentioned. When we talk of decision models, there are different types. We have deterministic and stochastic model. Deterministic prescriptive model have input that are known with certainty. So the options are determined. There is no element of probability involved. So you know that it's either option A or option B. Option A can bring in 30, option B can bring in 40. What you need to do to get A, what you need to do to get B. So you only need to do the analysis and then make your choice. But a stochastic prescriptive model have one or more inputs that are not known with certainty. So you need a kind of random variables. Random means something that can take any value. You need a kind of probability. So now say A can happen with so probability, B can also happen with another probability. In that case, you'll be looking for something like an average expected value for your analysis. We have algorithm, which are systematic procedure used to find optimal solution to decision model. So this is a computer code that will repeat. Okay, get the result, keep, get the result, keep, get the result, keep. If it is 1000 times, you will repeat. Then out of all the results, pick the maximum or pick the minimum. So it is a procedure that you will repeat, or you will check. After you check, you now see, can we improve? If yes, then repeat. If no, then stop. And such algorithms are used for complex problems to find a good solution without guaranteeing an optimal solution. You just say that this solution is good. We have done a search. So if you do the search again, you may get another result. So they may be very close, but you can have a definite one. Data mining is an interdisciplinary subfield of computer science. It is the computational process of discovering patterns in large data sets, involving methods at the intersection of artificial intelligence, machine learning, statistics, and database systems. This is Wikipedia definition of data mining. It involves examining large databases to produce new information, using statistical methods and artificial intelligence to analyze data, find hidden features of the data that were not yet known. So you have the data. You are trying to make the data to speak, to inform you. You study the data to get information about what you can use the data for. So you are flogging the data to talk, to speak, and then you can now record and interpret what it is saying. The application of data mining involves different approaches. One of it is classification. You categorize data into actionable groups. You have loan applicants over the years. You check example of those you have given the loan that repay, those that do not repay, and then you can now check most of those that repay, what is the characteristics you can use to describe them. Most of those that do not repay, what is the characteristic you can use to describe them. So that when you have a new applicant, you can now check whether the characteristics of that applicant is closer to those that used to pay or those that used to default, and you can now classify and know the probability, or you estimate whether it will be a good customer or not. Then we do estimation. That is response rate or probability of response. You can estimate what is the percentage that we get in this. Then predicting customer behavior. Maybe after run a regression model that you can now use to forecast. Affinity grouping. What items or services are customers likely to purchase together? The items that they demand that are complements. That you find out that if somebody buy this, you also buy the other one. That you can put together or advertise together. You may be doing description, finding interesting pattern on the model. And then the techniques, market-based analysis, cluster analysis, decision tree, or neural network are some of the practical way of applying it. So we'll continue in the next video.